But talking about stock-specific action, Godrej Properties actually raised funds via IPP yesterday. Sameepa has been tracking details regarding that. Sameepa, tell us as to how the auction actually took place and what does this actually mean for the company?
Well, this was the very first IPP via auction directly on the stock exchanges, and it was successful, very much successful, unlike ONGC and Wipro is what we have seen so far. The stock has been under pressure. The price band that the IPP came rather at was anywhere between 575 to 620 rupees, which was still at a discount at the prevailing market price back then. So we saw Godrej Properties correcting a bit at that 620 rupees where it was yesterday as well. Now that we have the news that this particular IPP was oversubscribed by about 1.17 times, that means they were offering about 7.4 million shares. They got bids worth at least 8.4 million shares. So that oversubscription is what is seeing the stock go higher. So it was a very successful IPP at that. The price is not known just yet. It will be known at the end of this day. The price band was at a discount, so we're expecting it to come anywhere between, like the price band suggested, 575 to 620 rupees. But at the upper end of that band, they could mop up about 507 crore rupees. At the bottom end, about 470 crore rupees. What we learn is the fact that they're going to be using this money to pare down some of their debt. Repayment and prepayment, a couple of things that they have in mind. They also are looking to start some of their projects and put in money in places like Chembur, Gurgaon, Hyderabad. These are the up-and-coming projects from Godrej Properties side. And we also do learn that they have actually started Tower 2 of their Vikhroli Tower as of today. And the price, indicative price that we do have right now is 12,000 rupees per square feet. So looking pretty good so far for Godrej Properties.
Yeah, at least someone managed to raise some money in this market. It was almost becoming a scare. I mean, with Wipro not being able to raise the full amount, it was looking a little tricky.
It had to be a Godrej company to do that.
Oh, okay, well, they've done it. Let's hear out the management on the successful IPP.
This does bring down the promoter holding to the 75% targeted level, which is what the initial goal of the IPP was. So we've been successful in achieving that. We issued fresh capital of about 8.79%. So the current shareholders have been diluted to that extent.
Okay, so that's the management of Godrej Properties talking about the successful IPP. Time for a quick break right now, but up ahead.